Hello students, yesterday we have discussed about the modulus graphs and how to draw the graph of the modulus function. Now today we just discuss some properties and then we will solve problems. So here mod x is equal to a. If you have mod x is equal to a, then this can be written as x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. That is what we can write. What is the meaning of this? Suppose if I say so mod x is equal to 5. Then what is the value of x here? What will be the solution of x here? This x can be positive 5 or this x can be negative 5. Therefore, the modulus of 5 also 5. The modulus of negative 5 also 5. So the first property is if mod x is equal to a, we write as x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. If mod x is equal to 5, we write as x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5. Why we are writing? The modulus of negative 5, the result is 5. Modulus of 5, result is 5. That is the reason. Suppose let us solve some questions. Suppose mod x plus 1 is equal to 5. What is the value of x he asked? So what we write here, according to this rule, we write as x plus 1 is equal to 5 or we can write as x plus 1 is equal to minus 5. It means x is equal to 5 minus 1, that is x is equal to 4, or we can write as x is equal to minus 5 minus 1, so x is equal to minus 6. So what is the meaning of this? If I keep minus 6 in this, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. If I keep plus 4 here, 4 plus 1 is 5, modulus of 5 is 5. So the solution of this modulus function is x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 6. Let us see few more examples. Suppose you have modulus of 2x minus 3. What is the solution of this? So is equal to, suppose you have modulus of 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. What is the solution of this? The solution of this can be written as 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 or I can write as 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I can write as 2x minus 3 send inside 1 plus 3, that is 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2 divides here 4 upon 2, x is equal to 2. And if I come here 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 3, 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 is the solution of this set. So whenever you are using the modulus function, this is the first property, that is what I am going to tell you. This is the first property. If mod x is equal to a, the answer will be x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. Let us see few more questions. Let us suppose you have mod 2x minus half is equal to 3. Then what is the solution of this one? What I can write this one, I can write as solution of this will be written as 2x minus half is equal to 3 or I can write as 2x minus half is equal to minus 3. Then I can write as 2x is equal to 3 plus half or I can write as 2x is equal to minus 3 plus half. So the 2x is equal to, if I do the LCM here, 2 is the LCM, 2 3 is the 6 plus 1 7. So x is equal to, I can write as 2 is multiplied, sending this side divides 7 by 4. Here is, I can write as x is equal to, 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 1 divided by 2. Then x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. And 2x is equal to this, then x is equal to minus 5 by 4. So this is very simple one, okay, basic of the modulus. Whenever you have like this, modulus is equal to some constant, then we will write this way and we write the solution in that way. Let us see one more question. I'll ask you, let us tell me anywhere we can answer it. X is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Then what is the solution of that? So if x is equal to minus 5, there is no solution. No solution at all. There is no solution. Reason the modulus of a function is always positive, never going to be negative. So mod x is equal to negative is a wrong one. So there will be no solution to get a negative number because absolute value always positive. Understood?